Understanding the phrase, say one's piece, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, say one's piece. This phrase is commonly used in English conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound more natural in English. So, let's dive in. The phrase, say one's piece, means to express one's opinion or viewpoint, often in a situation where one feels it is important to make their thoughts known. It's usually used in the context of a discussion or a debate where multiple viewpoints are presented. The word piece in this context refers to a person's contribution or statement in a conversation. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, after everyone had spoken, I finally had a chance to say my piece about the new policy. 2. In a family discussion, everyone at the dinner table got to say their piece about where we should go on vacation. These examples show how the phrase is used in different contexts to indicate sharing one's thoughts or opinions. Be careful not to confuse say one's piece with hold your peace, which has a different meaning. Hold your peace means to remain silent or to refrain from speaking, often used in the context of objecting to something. Try to create your own sentences using say one's piece. Think about situations in your life where you might use this phrase. This practice will help you remember and use the phrase correctly. That's all for our lesson on say one's piece. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you're now more confident in using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in context is key to mastering them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.